Look how beautiful it is today. It actually just stopped snowing. It's probably going to pick up again. It's been on and off. But look, there's snow. And I can't drive my car. So before I get started with today's video, Reed has this swap going on. He's doing a Legacy Sport into a Legacy wagon. Because of a current situation, neither car can be moved right now. My car's ready. This video is actually going to drop before the startup video. It did start up. There's some things I still have to do, like I have to bleed the coolant and everything. I got to change to oil again and then run it, let it get up to 10 before I can drive it. Then we got to put 500 miles on it before I can rip on it. Anyways, in the meantime, since I have today off, I am going to try to fit on the S15 front bumper. So I'm going to go into this room and party. Alright, so first thing first, I actually need to see exactly how. It's going to be hard to do by myself, but I think we can do it. Okay, so already first thing I notice, I'm gonna have to definitely take out the fog lights. These fog lights aren't going to. Sucks because I kind of wanted to run them, but I guess not. Where is a 10 mil? That's a 10 mil. Fuck is my ratchet? Oh my god! Where are you? Shit! Why did I lose everything? Oh, it's right here on the other table. I'm a fucking dummy. Boom! Fog lights. Ouch! Now let's see how we fit. Damn it! Not only do we have to take the fog lights out, I'm also just gonna have to cut all this off, which I'm kind of nervous about. Which probably means I gotta cut this off too. Let's find out. So fucking maybe about the front, but definitely got to cut out these fog holes, these fog light holders. So I do got to modify the bumper a little bit. All right, is this going to be the right tool to do this? Probably fucking not, but it's all I got. So. So I'm making it fit. This is what this is coming down to at this point. I had it posted for sale. Cheap as fuck too. Cheaper than what you can get online. Nobody wanted to buy it. So we're gonna make it look like shit until I get the rocket bunny. Fuck me, how am I gonna get this angle there? Cool. Just like that. Alright, there we go. Yeah, let's fucking do that. Alright, we're doing good. We're looking fucking terrible. Alright, yeah, that's some polished garbage. So now gotta do the next thing. But you know what? Actually, I don't think that's gonna matter really don't have to. I really hope I don't have to cut this part off because I kind of like this. I'd rather have these big gaping holes right there because I mean it actually still doesn't look too bad. But what I might actually do is I might even try and find some flat pieces that can fit in here. Well, I guess this helps airflow too. I don't fucking know, dude. This might be as good as it's gonna get. Who knows? We'll see. Alright, both cut out. Let's see how this thing fits now. It should actually fit pretty good. Let's see. Fucking okay. Oh, it might help if I actually. Fuck! Stay. Stay up here. Stay up here. Stupid. Like, you're a fucking cunt. There we go. Holy Jesus. There we go. Yeah. That's what I like to see. Now, don't move. Aw, man. I do have to cut the center pieces out. Fuck me. Wait, maybe not, actually. No, I'm not gonna actually make this fit. I actually do need to cut off a little bit of this. I'm gonna get a marker. I'm actually gonna do this one a little bit better because the intercooler piping sits so close to these sides right here. It's actually pretty hard. I mean, from you guys weren't seeing it, but from what I was looking at, I'll show you guys when I get it all together. But you can't really tell, except right here. You can definitely be like, oh yeah, that was definitely cut. But the intercooler get this so close to this already, not a big deal. But this, I like this deep inner look. It looks like it's kind of farther back than it actually is. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go grab my markup pen pretty much and clean this off real quick and then cut it up. Front part is done. I'm gonna just do this one. I want to kind of just line it up the blade right here now and just straight across almost. Should be a lot easier now. This was tough just because of the amount of room I had right here, and also I didn't really have a good idea of where I wanted to cut it. But we should be good now. All right, don't be too alarmed because this isn't actually how it's gonna sit. I'm just mocking it up just to see how it's gonna look right now. I need to figure out, the front needs to come down a little bit more. I want to see how much room I have. So inside here, whoops, wrong wheel, wanted to focus. Plenty of room right there. Right here it's touching. I might need to cut this up just a little bit more. And that's like, and this is still like not even all the way. So might need to cut a little bit more. I'm fucking good over here and I'm good over here. So we have plenty of room now. I do just need to cut a little bit more right here, probably another like ½ an inch or something like that. It should be solid. I use zip ties to hold it in place, which is fine. I got a whole bag, so I'm not worried. But yeah, looking pretty good. Pretty good. I do say so myself. It looks good. Actually, no, it looks like shit because it's sagging like a mother. But like looking at it from a distance with how much I cut, still doesn't even look that bad. It looks pretty good. It looks actually really good. Oh yeah, I got wheels. I do not know if I said that at all in this video. I posted on Instagram and Facebook, but I did trade my SE wheels for some Diamond Racing Steelies because I've always liked those wheels. They're cheap, they look good, and they're Steelies, so you can fucking thrash on them. So the only downside is Steelies are heavy, but they'll take a beating. So that's why with this car I think I'm gonna buy those wheels as drift spares because I do want to buy nice wheels. Do I want to go big baller? I don't know yet. We'll see how things go. If not, I'll get some, fake 37s or whatever. I don't know. My dream wheels are LXZs, like those with a 4.5 inch step. Oh my god, so good looking. But anyways, yeah, look at that fitment in the back. Look at that fitment in the back. When I lower this thing, Oh, it's gonna look so good. All right, enough about the wheels. So back to the bumper. I'm gonna go ahead and take it back off, reposition it. I might actually go on Amazon too, see if I can get same day delivery on the bumper holders. You know, the little bumper things. But we'll see. I'm gonna get this finished up, and then we'll kind of go from there. All right, yeah. So ain't gonna probably happen today because I'm just gonna wait for the quick releases to come in. This is as good as I'm gonna get it right now. I just tried tweaking with it as much as I could, but yeah, I'll try and show you. I think this side's the worst, but yeah, as you can see right here, this fucking horrible gap. And it looks like poop. But right now, I'm not too concerned with it because I just wanted to get the bumper on. It's on. It fits great as far as like how it fits now. So yeah, it was not going to fit with the fog lights. Definitely had to cut all that out. Like, which is weird. I guess this is if this is an OEM, but I don't know. I figured it would have fit with the intercooler and everything because these cars came turboed, but then again, I remembered some of them came NA as well. So maybe this was like an NA bumper. I don't fucking know, dude. I just put it on. But anyways, with that, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you guys again for watching the channel. Go follow us on Facebook, Living the Drift Life, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys all in the next video when this thing is started up. Okay, bye.